So that band slipped out of my reach. It really did. I'm kind of bummed, and I'm kind of glad it did in retrospect. I'm glad it was sold. It got taken off the posting on Craigslist. So my next step is, I'm not 100% sure. I may try to get an apartment with a garage. That way when I do get a van, I can work on it there instead of having to work on it somewhere else. Of course, I'd have to work on it during the day. I do want to get into van life. I do want to get off the streets, per se, for now. Anything is possible, anything. So it is what it is. My finances are, like, they're manageable, but I'm still in over my head on a few things, and I want to make sure I get everything squared away before I dive into something else, which I will. I appreciate everyone that has subscribed. I appreciate everyone that has been a supporter for a long time. I appreciate everything that is going on. If you enjoy my videos, if you enjoy my content, please subscribe. Please leave a comment. That's all I ask. That's all I request. Hit the notification bell as well. I am growing on a daily basis, it looks like now. I think YouTube finally let me out of the box. YouTube likes me now, I think. I'm not 100% sure. I'm not gonna say either way. My next video is gonna be on my finances. So enjoy. Take care.